Right, I've bollocksed up a bit here. Right, we're in Ambleside on a glorious day. I'm going to do the Kirkstone Pass, but we're going to get to it by the struggle. And it's red hot. Deploy the sunglasses because it's so warm, so bright. If I can find them. Christ, they're already down, that's how bright it is. Oh. Traction control not happy on that bit. Can't believe how warm it is already. 16 degrees according to the bike, but I've got full sun on us and I'm in black stuff. And going at this speed doesn't get much airflow over here, but the views are spectacular. Look at that over there. Wow. God, that's steep. The last push to the top. And that cut out quite a nice little corner. Where we will change the batteries. And adjust my seat because this air hog thing isn't doing its job. My arse is aching like crazy. Oh, dagnammit. Right, I've bollocksed up a bit here. When I looked at my card, I thought it had 16 hours of recording on it, which is pretty good. And it had 16 minutes on it. So hopefully, I've used 7 of them I think, getting up the struggle. So let's hope it lasts long enough to get this spectacular view in. It doesn't take that long to get all the way down, but I was hoping to probably that would take us through to Penrith at least. So I'll leave it running. Good job we did the struggle, because because that cut a bit out and I was going to record it from the start, so that would have definitely stuffed us. Let a bit of air out of the seat because it was becoming mega uncomfortable. A lot of people raved about these air hawks, but I'm just struggling to get on with it. So of all the passes, this one is probably the fastest because the road's wide enough for two cars to pass. Only problems you get is tour buses and errant sheep, or the occasional cyclist. And here we are into Patterdale. At some point the SD card is going to be full. I don't actually know if it overwrites or whether it just fills it. So rather than lose the start of the footage, I think I'm going to have to say toodly bye.